If you're looking to make money fast, I have 11 websites that will literally help you start earning cash today. All right, first up is Amazon KDP, which is Amazon's self-publishing website. And you earn money by selling coloring books, planners, journals, and even medium to high content books. There's no application to be accepted. There are templates and tools online. You don't have regular upload thresholds to meet. I have hundreds of self-published books and I earn daily regardless of my account activity. And to sign up, you just go to this website, sign up, and you can start uploading your books today. Also, if you're interested in this and you need a little bit more information or you want a step-by-step guide, I have a video that can walk you through. Next up is Printify, which is a print-on-demand website. You can create a simple design, even a text-only design in Canva, take the design over to Printify and upload it onto a mug, a t-shirt, a poster, and you connect it with a sales website like Shopify, Etsy, TikTok, and sell your products there. Next up is Etsy, but selling digital products, not physical products. If you want to start selling immediately, you can go into eRank to find the digital products that are selling really well, or you can just go to Etsy and type in digital products and it will pull all the best sellers. Next up is Upwork, which is a freelancing website. Think graphic design, writing, virtual assistant. It's basically getting paid for skills that you already have. A little spin on this is if you have a cat or a dog, use them as user-generated content. So make the pet your product. Next up is Amazon Associates. You get paid when someone clicks the link and buys the product. If you're looking to do Amazon Associates, I have another video here that takes you through some secrets. Next up is Fiverr, which is very similar to Upwork. And in this website, you can start with gigs that are just $5 and work your way up to $100. Think about AI voiceovers, you can do narration, you can sell logos. There are other ideas right here. Next up is Teachable, which is a course selling website. And this is your time to get creative because there are a plethora of ideas that you can sell on Teachable. And it's not just finance and investments. You can literally teach a couple how to do their first dance. Next up is TaskRabbit, where you get paid for odd jobs, assembling furniture, moving, cleaning. So if you have an Allen wrench, you are in high demand. Next up is Redbubble, which is another print-on-demand website, but unlike Printify or Printful, it doesn't require you to connect it to another website to sell your products. You can sell your products right on Redbubble. So all you do is upload your design and add it to your storefront with any of the products that you want to list it as. You can even share your store with your audience. Then you have Gumroad, which is another website for selling digital products. You can sell memberships, courses, or even templates. There's no monthly fee, so you just list and sell. And the reason why I like Gumroad is because you can set a price or you can just have somebody offer to pay you whatever they're willing to offer. And last on our list is Canva Creators, which gives you money for creating templates on Canva. Basically, when somebody downloads your template and they start using it, you start getting paid. These are just 11 websites to help you start earning cash today. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, you can watch this video here. Or if you're interested in digital products, you can watch this video next. Don't forget to follow along, and thanks for watching.